If CapCut is stuck loading, freezing on startup, or not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get everything working again. This is a common issue, and most of the time it comes down to either a cached file problem or a network connection issue. So before you reinstall the app, try these quick fixes first, and if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to clear the app cache on CapCut for PC. Open CapCut and look for the settings icon, usually near the top or side of the interface. Click on it, then choose settings from the menu. Inside the settings area, look for the cache section. You should see your cache size listed there along with a delete icon next to it. Click delete to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing CapCut to hang, load slowly, or fail to launch correctly. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it to see if the problem is fixed. If the app still keeps loading endlessly, the next step is to check your network and region settings. CapCut relies on cloud services for many features, so if your connection is blocked or unstable, it may not load properly. Start by switching your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data if you're on a phone, or try a different network if you're on a PC. Sometimes office networks, school Wi-Fi, or public internet connections restrict access to certain cloud servers, which can stop CapCut from loading. A quick network change can make a huge difference. Also, make sure to turn off any VPNs you have running. VPNs and ad blockers can interfere with CapCut servers and prevent the app from connecting correctly. Disable them temporarily, then try loading CapCut again. If you're using browser-based tools or system-wide ad blocking, turn those off as well while testing. Once you've cleared the cache, switched your connection, and disabled any VPN or ad blocker, open CapCut again and check if it loads normally. In many cases, one of these two fixes solves the problem right away. If not, repeat the steps carefully and test each change one at a time so you can figure out exactly what was causing the issue. That's it. Now you know how to fix the CapCut loading problem using a couple of fast, simple troubleshooting steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.